Today marks a historic moment for Oro Integrated Cooperative as we gather here on the first day of our first ever Gender and Development Summit. This is the first time. I stand before you filled with pride, gratitude, and unwavering hope for what this event signifies for our cooperative and our community. As we officially open this very first God Summit, allow me to affirm this truth. Inclusivity strengthens us, empowerment unites us, equality transforms us. This summit marks truly the beginning. It lays the foundation for a more compassionate, more aware, and more inclusive OIC. Let us commit to building spaces where everyone, regardless of gender, feels safe, supported, and seen. For the very first time, OIC has created a space dedicated solely to celebrating inclusivity, to acknowledging the experiences of all genders, and to strengthening our collective commitment to equality. This summit is history in the making, and each one of you here today is part of this important new chapter. Their partnership reminds us that gender advocacy is not a journey we take alone. It is a shared effort built through cooperation, continuous learning, and solidarity across the cooperative movement. Over the years, OIC has grown because of its people, women, men, and gender diverse individuals whose strengths, stories, and contributions have shaped who we are today. This first God Summit is our way of honoring that diversity and ensuring that every voice is heard, respected, and valued. What makes this moment even more meaningful is the presence and support of our partners from the NATCO gathering team. Their guidance and passion have played a pivotal role in helping OIC reach this milestone. ignite a movement. Together, let us empower all genders. Together, let us build a stronger, more compassionate, oral integrated cooperative. Daghang salamat, and may this first ever God Summit of OIC inspire, transform, and empower us all.